In Indian political system, which one is supreme? A. The Supreme Court. B. The Constitution. C. The Parliament. D. Religion. Ans. B. The concept of judicial review in India has been adopted from the Constitution of A. UK. B. USA. C. USSR. D. Australia. Ans. B. The system of judicial review exists in A. India only. B. USA only. C. India and USA. D. UK only. Ans. C. Which of the following characteristics is common between the federal system of India and America? A. A single citizenship. B. 3 lists in the Constitution. C. Dual judicial system. D. A federal Supreme Court for interpretation of the Constitution. Ans. D. The feature of federal system of the Indian Constitution is inspired by the Constitution of A. Canada. B. United Kingdom. C. USA. D. Ireland. Ans. A. The Indian federalism is based on the pattern of which country? A. USA. B. Canada. C. Australia. D. Germany. Ans. B. The concept of a union of states in the Indian Constitution has been derived from A. The American Declaration of Independence. B. The Australian Constitution. C. The British North American Act. D. The Swiss Constitution. Ans. C. Concurrent list included in Indian Constitution is given by A. The Soviet Union. B. Australia. C. Italy. D. Canada. Ans. B. The idea of concurrent list in the Indian Constitution has been borrowed from A. USA. B. Switzerland. C. Australia. D. USSR. Ans. C. The framers of the Constitution of India borrowed the concept of the concurrent list described in the 7th schedule from the Constitution of A. Canada. B. Australia. C. Italy. D. South Africa. Ans. B. The concept of concurrent list in the Constitution of India was borrowed from the Constitution of A. Great Britain. B. USA. C. Canada. D. Australia. Ans. D. The concept of the directive principles of state policy in the Indian Constitution has been adopted from the Constitution of A. France. B. Ireland. C. Japan. D. USSR. Ans. B. The concept of the directive principles of state policy in the Indian Constitution was borrowed from the Constitution of A. England, B. Switzerland, C. Ireland, D. None of the above. Ans. C. The directive principles of state policy are explained in Part F of the Indian Constitution. This system has been taken from the constitution of which country? A. Britain, B. South Africa, C. USA, D. Ireland. Ans. D. Indian Constitution has taken a certain feature of the constitution of other countries. Which country has contributed to the framing of the directive principles of state policy? A. France, B. Ireland, C. Japan, D. USA. Ans. B. In giving representation to talent, experience, and service in the composition of the Council of States, the constitution makers of India were influenced by the example of A. Irish Republic, B. Canada, C. USA, D. Australia. Ans. A. Match list I and list 2 and give correct answer by using the code given below. List 1 list though. Feature of Constitution of India, borrowed from which country? A. Fundamental Rights 1, United Kingdom, B. Parliamentary System 2, United States, C. Emergency Provisions 3, Ireland, D. Directive Principles of 4, Germany. State Policy 5. Canada. Code ABCD A. 2 4 5 1, B. 5 1 3 4, C. 2 1 4 3, D. 1 2 4 3. Ans. C. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Provisions, sources. A. Fundamental Rights USA, B. Directive Principles of Ireland. State Policy, C. Residual Powers of Centre Australia, D. Emergency Powers Germany. Ans. C. Match list I with list 2 and identify correct answer from the code given below. List I. List I. Constitutional Provision, Source. A. Fundamental Rights 1, British Constitution, B. Directive Principles of 2, Canadian Constitution. State Policy, C. Cabinet Government 3, L'Irish Constitution, D. Union-State Relations 4, U.S. Bill of Rights. Code ABCD A. 4 3 2 1, B. 4 2 3 1, C. 4 1 3 2, D. 4 3 1 2. Ans. D. Match list 1 with list 2 by using code given below. List I. List I. Constitutional Provisions, Sources. A. Rule of Law 1, Australia, B. Procedure established 2, England by law, C. Reserving of Bill by 3, Japan. Governor for President's consideration, D. Concurrent List 4, Canada. Code ABCD A. 1 2 3 4, B. 2 1 4 3, C. 3 2 1 4, D. 2 3 4 1. Ans. D. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer. List I list 2. Country from which it was derived. A. Directive Principles of State Policy 1. Australia. B. Fundamental Rights 2. Canada. C. Concurrent List for Union-State Relations 3. Ireland. D. India as a union of states with greater powers to the Union 4. United Kingdom. 5. United States of America. Code ABCD. A. 3 4 1 2. B. 3 5 2 1. C. 5 4 2 1. D. 3 5 1 2. Ans. D. The concept of fundamental duties has been taken from A. American Constitution. B. British Constitution. C. Russian, former Soviet Union, Constitution. D. French Constitution. Ans. C. Assertion A. The Constitution of India has become the longest one. Reason R. The chapter on fundamental rights has been borrowed from the model of American Constitution. Choose the correct answer using the code given below. Code A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. Ans. B. The concept of fundamental rights, as incorporated in the Indian Constitution, has been adopted from A. France. B. Britain. C. United States of America. D. Russia. Ans. C. Idea of fundamental rights is adopted from the Constitution of A. Britain. B. Ireland. C. Canada. D. America. Ans. D. From which country? The Indian Constitution has taken reference for the idea of the fundamental rights. A. Ireland. B. United States of America. C. United Kingdom. D. Canada. Ans. B. The idea of fundamental rights was borrowed from the Constitution of A. USA. B. Canada. C. Britain. D. Russia. Ans. A. The tradition of written constitution began from which of the following countries? A. Japan. B. India. C. Britain. D. America. Ans. D.